Have you ever wondered what Bitcoin is? Well, let's simplify the topic. In 2008, a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was published online by a pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, marking Bitcoin's birth. Essentially, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency independent of any central bank with no single administrator. It's a democratic currency maintained by a decentralized ledger system or blockchain. Beyond currency, Bitcoin is also a technology that allows peer-to-peer value transfer over the internet. Transactions are verified and recorded in a public ledger. It's akin to sending an email but with value instead of messages. Bitcoin addresses digital currency's double spending issue with its blockchain technology. It has a finite supply of 21 million Bitcoins, a key factor to its value. So, Bitcoin isn't just a buzzword but a revolutionary technology designed to change the way we handle money. Now that we know what Bitcoin is, what exactly does it do? Bitcoin is a digital currency like no other. It functions without the intervention of a central bank and is completely electronic, but its defining feature is the technology it is built on: blockchain. This technology manages Bitcoin transactions in a public and secure way. All transactions are added to a block, forming a chain, hence the term blockchain. Bitcoin is more than just a means to buy and sell, it's a store of value. People invest in Bitcoin hoping its value will rise over time. Just like gold, the quantity of Bitcoins is fixed at 21 million, making it a rare commodity. This scarcity boosts its value. Bitcoin can also be used like traditional money, only it's digital and doesn't require a bank. It employs advanced blockchain technology for secure and transparent transactions. Sounds impressive, but how do you use Bitcoin? To start, you acquire Bitcoins, either by purchasing them on a cryptocurrency exchange or by mining. Cryptocurrency exchanges are like stock markets for digital currencies, where you can buy or sell Bitcoin. Bitcoin mining, on the other hand, is a resource-intensive process involving complex mathematical problems. Once solved, new Bitcoins are created and added to the network. After acquiring Bitcoins, you store them in a Bitcoin wallet, a digital storage solution for your Bitcoins. When you're ready to transact, you enter the recipient's Bitcoin address and the amount you want to send from your wallet. The transaction is then processed by the Bitcoin network using blockchain technology, a public ledger containing all transaction data. Transactions are added to blocks or links of code that make up this blockchain. So while it might seem complicated at first, Bitcoin is as simple as sending an email. So, we have Bitcoin and we have traditional money or fiat. How do they compare? Let's delve right into control. Fiat is regulated by central banks, while Bitcoin is decentralized, capped at a finite 21 million. As for transparency, traditional transactions aren't publicly accessible, whilst Bitcoin's blockchain records every transaction on a public ledger. Transaction speed and cost? Traditional banking systems can be slow and costly. Bitcoin transactions can be sent globally in minutes with lower fees. Yet Bitcoin has its challenges. It's volatile, not widely accepted, and can be a tool for illicit activities. So what's the conclusion? It's not Bitcoin versus fiat. Both have their place in our economy. Fiat offers stability, while Bitcoin provides transparency, decentralization, and a hedge against inflation. While Bitcoin has its advantages, it doesn't mean the end of traditional currencies. Both can coexist, serving different needs and preferences. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned about Bitcoin. Born in 2009 by the anonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin steered the financial world into a new era. It leverages blockchain technology for decentralized operation and security. Bitcoin aims to bypass traditional financial systems, offering transactions without centralized authorities like banks or governments. These transactions are encrypted and added to the blockchain, ensuring transparency and security. The use of Bitcoin is vast, from buying coffee to real estate investment. Getting started is as easy as downloading a digital wallet, buying Bitcoin, and using it with vendors that accept it. Bitcoin and fiat currencies can coexist, each possessing unique advantages. Bitcoin allows direct transfers, eliminating the need for banks and transactions. So, whether you're a skeptic or a believer, there's no denying Bitcoin has made a significant impact on the world of finance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.